From Basista Pangasinan, Paningbatan Jan Zaire Perez, Mr. and Mrs. Juan Paningbatan from San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Paragas John Paul J. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Salvador Paragas from Bayambang, Pangasinan. Kuyawan Oo DJ, Loyalty Awardee. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Julie Kuyawan from San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Rado Justine, Loyalty Awardee. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jose Rado from Pinmalay, Pangasinan. Rabanal Hayes Ian. Parents, Mr. and Mr. Roger Barlaan and Miss Juliet Rabanal from San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Ramos Kirkway G, Loyalty Awardee. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Manix Ramos from San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Reyes Adrian G, Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bernard Reyes from San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Roque Shira May B, Loyalty Awardee. Parents, Mr. and Mrs.